Alright, so we're going to Walmart. I don't know why this. I don't know.
Because of COVID.
I know that, but
There can only be so many people in the store.
I hate Walmart now. I hate Walmart. There was way more people. Okay, that is not 6 feet apart. That's all I'm saying. That is not 6 feet apart. That's like not 6 feet apart. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, not 6 feet apart. Yeah, just people waiting with no masks. That's nice. If one of them coughed, that whole line is just obliterated.
How about we don't do this right now?
How about we go to Bimart?
How about we go to Safeway?
How about we just don't go? Okay.
Well, look how nasty it's getting outside. I'm not standing out there in this.
Look at that guy's hair.
Yeah.
What the heck is that?
Okay, let me...
You know, I'm just casually roasting people out here. You know me. Look at that bag. Oh, I barely got it. I don't know what to post on anymore. I'm kind of bored. Bored with your boy. At Tucker Williams. Thank you for him from supporting me with all of my YouTube contentions. Yep, that's the thing. But yeah, thank Tucker Williams for helping me along this way. I've been playing basketball with him a lot. Well, not now because of the coronavirus, but I used to go over to his house like every day and play basketball and dunk on his hoop when it was very small. There's a bag over there.
It's nasty outside.
Where's the bag? Oh, there it is. Bag. 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 There's another bag right there. But it's just chilling. Alright. Yeah, thank you, Tucker Williams, for supporting me on my YouTube channel and helping me play basketball. Well, not helping me. For 1v1ing me and me always winning. Yep, thank you.